All right, I'm sure this is this complete serene thing which everybody has experienced and might be contemplating what to ask and which question to ask because there might be so much in the mind that they would want to share. And okay, so the question answer session is what we should begin with, and then we'll also have a few people who will share their experiences, testimonials. But we begin with question answer round first. So if somebody would want to ask, we have the mic here. We'll begin with him. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bhaumik. For the first time, I always thought enlightenment came at a cost. You have to give up other ambitions and, like everything else that you do maybe inside your ambitions or your desires is a distraction or a disruption to enlightenment. And out of what both of you shared, that for you, uh, wanting the ambitions outside and the ambitions within coexisted. So that is something new for me. And I'm thinking about now how to attract that kind of abundance, joy and celebration and joy kind of in my life, both within and outside. So how can that become possible?
It's really important. You know, there's a big misconception about spirituality, especially in India, even in abroad actually. You know, you see most of these healers in all over the healers, but they're very poor and financially struggling. The same thing in India, you know, idea is ki renounce, renunciation, and you have to give up everything, and there's a disconnect between spirituality and the outer world. But the point is, you know, what is spiritual and what is not spiritual. Spirituality is not कि आधा घंटा meditation कर ली और बाकी सब वो किया तो. Every aspect of your life has to be spiritual. And what you are creating inside in your spiritual world has to translate into physical. अगर नहीं translate हो रहा तो there is some problem. So what you want to do is basically, when you connect to the source through this technique, the point is that उसमें आपकी division नहीं रहती है. You know, there's no division between your action, and you will take action also, which is mind disconnect हो जाता है. So now the analyzing part will be disconnected and you will take more action. It's more action oriented. अभी क्या होता है कि there's, let's say we want to take action and there's 100 questions which come up, which we call dual mind. Dual mind is कि, you know, there's a doubtful mind कि मैं करूँ ना करूँ, कर लूँ नहीं करूँ नहीं कर लूँ, that gets erased. So once you connect with the source, the power comes from within to create. Now that power can take any course. उसमें माइंड नहीं होता कि उसमें कुछ भी हो सकता है. सी another, इसमें एक और बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि क्या होता है कि बिकॉज वी वर्क फ्रॉम फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस मोस्टली, जो लोग हैं वो कहते हैं मेरे को फीलिंग नहीं अच्छी आई. यू नो, फीलिंग हैज़ नो वैल्यू. यू नो, मेरे को वाइब्रेशन नहीं अच्छी आई. स्पेशली स्पिरिचुअलिस्ट, आई हियर लॉट्स ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिस्ट से ऑल्सो कि आई डोंट गेट गुड वाइब्स. व्हाट आर वाइब्स? वाइब्स इज जस्ट योर फीलिंग्स. लेट्स से मेरे को काम है आपसे कोई, you know, I'm doing some business with you and I have some work with you, and the minute I see you and some feelings come which I totally shut down our system. Maybe you will be passing me very valuable information. We even shut our systems. So isme once you go break your perception, go beyond that point, there's no barriers, there's no divisions. You're not based on कि ये so and so है. अभी हमारी perception बहुत जल्दी kick कर जाती है, you know. So once you connect with the source, there'll be like an autopilot, like intelligence, which will erupt from within. Did I answer your question? Or?
Sort of. Just one more, something that made me curious with what you shared, Ruby, about that awakening experience you had. What is that like?
The awakening experience?
Yeah.
Yeah, in my case, it was sudden, and it was just like he had vibrations. But I used to be very fond of Lord Shiva, because everybody has favorite something in life. So I was chanting at that time. And then right after, it was like I was jumping off the floor, and It was 45 minutes then, crying and shrieking. Body was out of control. And then I found myself on the bed. I just crawled there. And it was like semi-conscious state. And at that time, so no awareness of the body, just I didn't know what was happening. And then first thing I saw was Shirdi Baba. I didn't know him. Being in Canada, I'd got to Canada in my teens, so not really connected to the Indian scene so much. So Shirdi Baba, so this old man was there, and he said that I'm a healer, and this is what you will be doing, this is your calling. So every one of us, the masters, who enlightened masters, will come and bless you with what they did, what they know, and then you will carry forward this. So I said, heal who? So he said, heal what? I said, how will I know what to heal? Oh, they said, you don't need to know, the source will heal. So you are the instrument. How will the people know I have healed? The source will do that too. So I thought, okay, so I just have to look good and just be present. Yeah, just be present, because it's working through you. Then I realized later, and of course many masters later, this work, the healing process, and I started to get clients right away. Within 3 weeks, I closed down all businesses. Yeah, it just happened. So what I'm saying is, when the source energy rises, and this is the technique for that, to consciously create that awakening. So conscious enlightenment can be created this way, just by plug-in time. When the source increases, you will see in 1 week, first symptoms are peace, quietness. And now it's clear only a few thoughts will rise loudly, and those thoughts will be put into action. If we meet you 30 days later and you do this 3 times a day, you will testify powerfully that I can't believe. Things are happening, outer world is strong, and inner world is quiet and more powerful. So idea is to focus on the source. Just all technique plugs you to the source. And things happen, you don't have to worry how. Like your next breath finds you, next person finds you. As easy as that, everything finds you synchronistically. So you stay connected. And that is the power. Enlightened living is not excluding things in life. We live by belief, as Inder said, by perception. So we believe spirituality is this, wealth is this. So our relationship to wealth is also poor. People want to be, they want to be rich, they want to be wealthy, yet they think rich people are not very good, they are corrupt. So there's this strange relationship. You want people to love you, but you don't even like the ones you want to be loved by. So there's this duality and opposition and conflict in everything we're doing, everything. So this will be erased automatically. Yeah. Does that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I was just, while listening to you, was wondering, if you ask the audience that, are there times where you completely feel lost, or depressed, or anxiety wali feeling aati hai, but when you ask publicly, people would want to put hands up. So there is a little factor of probably shyness or other. So, there's another way to ask this question is what I believe, and I'm sure there might be many people who would ask a question. So while whatever the existing life frame or structure we are into right now, बहुत जब सोचते हैं या तो बिल्कुल नहीं सोचते हैं, तब भी एक सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में ऐसी बात होती है that there is something more to life. You feel that something is missing. हाँ कि ना, उसमें तो हाँ कहेंगे ही सब. There is something we aspire to be like. There is somebody who inspires. I want to be that. So where is that missing link about which you would want to ask? Who next? Please.
Okay. Myself, Dr. Rahul Shah, and my question is how spirituality change our DNA, means genes. And next is many scientists work on this, basically spirituality, and they found a good result on spirituality and your brain region, basically different part of brain region, and then we scientists found that different magnetic region means MRI scanning, and they found that there are some changes in spirituality and means relationship between spirituality and then brain region, means there is some link between them. So my question is basically on that, ki how change our DNA and how this mechanism take place.
बड़ा भारी क्वेश्चन है तो First of all, we have to, first question I would ask is कि do we even think we can change, never mind the DNA. DNA को तो छोड़ो. How many people really think they can change? Change is possible, right? Now the next question I would ask is, how many people believe that we are driven by destiny? We are driven by destiny, right? So can we change our destiny?
Yes.
We can, right? And the next question I would ask is, do we have free will? Do we have free will as humans?
Yes.
Right? Right? So, how do we exercise free will? अगर free will है, free will क्या है? What is free will? Free will is choice basically, right?
Yes.
Choice है ना? ये एक movement है, एक movement में choice है. आप यहाँ भी बैठ सकते हो, उठ के भी जा सकते हो, सो भी सकते हो, जो मर्जी, it's your free will. आप क्या मर्जी करो, right? So, do we have the choice to exercise free will?
Yes.
We do. But do we actually? नहीं करते ना?
No.
हाँ. Why don't we do it? क्यों नहीं होती? Free will, हाँ जी? नहीं, वो नहीं belief नहीं है. It's a very physiological thing. I'll give you an example. Example is कि जब आपको एक ख्याल आ गया. See, we are driven by mind. A mind is thoughts, emotions, feelings. So we have one single thought. I look at you, I get a thought कि black color is good or bad. So within fraction of a second, that image gets built in my mind and my reality changes.
Yes.
वो फाइलें खुलनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. या मेरे को एक गुस्से का ख्याल आया. You know, I have one single thought of anger.
Yes.
I don't like something. So when I don't like something, there's a 15-16 biochemical reactions in a body.
Yes.
And our front lobes जो हैं brain के वो बंद हो जाते हैं. The thinking power shuts down. So how will you exercise free will वहाँ पे? होगी exercise? नहीं होगी. तो आप उसमें आप action reaction में in road rages people kill each other.
Yes.
Right? So we can only exercise free will if we are spiritually connected and we disconnected from the mind.
Yes.
Otherwise we can't exercise free will. Are we on the same page?
Yes.
Right? हम कहने को तो कही जाए कि हाँ free will है, but we are so driven by our emotions and feelings. How do we exercise the free will? हमारी तो feelings पे ही हम तो चलते हैं.
Agree.
ठीक है ना? तो we have to disconnect from the mind. We have to get into the soul zone. Mind बिल्कुल 100% disconnect नहीं होता, लेकिन जो heavy mind है ना, ego mind है, वो feelings वाला mind disconnect हो जाता है. So you are not driven every second by the feelings, emotions. हाय जी ये हो गया जी वो हो गया जी. इंडिया में तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. Especially women. I call it मीना कुमारी syndrome, बेचारी syndrome. You know, वो सबको suffering की आदत है. You know, कि मैंने बहुत suffer किया. वो एक, you know, it's a mindset which has become. So we have to, answering your question, right? Like if we disconnect, if we want free will, now how do we change the genes and genetic code is by, there's a genes, genetic जो होता है, उसके ऊपर एक epigene है. Epigene is basically the coding, the programming which is on your genetic code. So that programming has to be altered. Now there's three very important aspects to do that. One is, ये जो body है, the body जो cells हैं, the cells is like एक environment है पूरी. ये environment cells का mind नहीं है कोई. सेल्स को आप जो कमांड भेजोगे फीलिंग्स इमोशंस की, वो ऐसे ही रिएक्ट करेंगे. Now you imagine your cells to be like 70 trillion soldiers. So 70 trillion soldiers को आपने कमांड भेज दिया हेट की, हेट 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 हेट, वो सारे हेट 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 में ट्रांसलेट हो जाएंगे बिकॉज सेल्स डोंट हैव अ माइंड. एंड वो रेपिटेटिवली वही होता रहता है, डे इन डे आउट, डे इन डे आउट. वो एक आदत बन जाती है. एंड अनदर थिंग व्हाट हैपेंस इज वी हैव दिस न्यूरो पाथवेज ब्रेन में आपके जो बनते रहते हैं वो उसके साथ. सो वी फॉलो द सेम मोड, वी नेवर चेंज. वो उससे परसेप्शन सेट हो जाती है. So you have to change that programming. उसको cells को जो आप program करोगे वो ही करेगा. That's one. Second most important, I mentioned before also, there has to be a connection between your subconscious and conscious mind. Full clarity कि मेरे को चाहिए क्या. See, nothing is good or bad or ugly, कुछ भी नहीं है. जो भी चाहिए वो have to be very clear कि this is what I need. And the third most important aspect is environment. Environment is, if you really want to change, because we mimic, as humans ना we mimic stuff. हमको आदत वो क्योंकि बॉडी की नेचर है, जो हमारे सेल्स हैं, सेल्स की आदत क्या, सेल्स विल मिमिक ईच अदर. हाउ डू वी गेट कैंसर और सिकनेस? वन सेल गेट्स सिक, कैंसरस, एंड दूसरे सेल कॉपी करते 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 सारे कैंसरस हो जाते हैं. सेम थिंग इन हीलिंग. जब हीलिंग होती है, जब somebody heals you, one cell gets healed and the rest of them slowly because you have to keep the environment. अब कॉन्शियस एक कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियसनेस होती है. Like you go to Delhi, there's a very aggressive collective consciousness. So people will Rajiv Rajiv's from Delhi. Rajiv's one of those who doesn't get affected by environment, but normally you find Delhiites very aggressive.
Yes.
You know, so because collectively वो जाके आप वो copy करना शुरू कर देते हो. You know, go to certain places like laid back places, you get laid back. So there's three very important aspects. And what you said about your DNA is controlled by your pineal gland यहाँ पे. So you have to totally disconnect from your mind. You have to, once you connect to the source, the DNA automatically change होगा. You know, with the program. You've done, आपको तो पता ही, आप तो doctoral studies, इस पे बहुत studies हुई हैं. You know, ये brain पे भी हुई हैं, soul existence पे भी हुई हैं, where the soul existence is. They've done studies where they proved, पहले तो पता नहीं था soul कहाँ है. They did a near-death studies where they actually saw the soul leave the body, some energy leaving, and then it came back. They induced death in humans in Germany. So there's lots of studies on this.
We may not know the science of it, but in Calgary, when we were working with Dr. Bruce Hoffman, or wo hai his partner to Dr. Deepak Chopra, so quite a well-known doctor, but उसने सब fields में master है, उसने psychiatry किया हुआ है, उसने like any given field he has mastered. So he's quite authority in North America. So what he did was he sent 135 patients of his, एक करके, and he had taken extreme उनकी of course पूरी condition, which is almost 90 questions कि उनकी health कैसी थी, blood pressure कैसा था, 1 to 10 पूरा उनका research था, and who were being treated for last 5 years, 8 years, 3 years, chronic diseases. Because we didn't know. He said, what are you doing? I said, I don't know. I'm just talking to them and doing kind of a meditation, and then they start to get better. And I would say 31 days ke liye karo, and they start to drop the symptoms. So one by one, these were basically test cases. So he would send them because he really wanted to know ki results kya aayenge iske. So, and then he would see the person, the patient, after 1 week of the session they had done, and then another 3 weeks later, and then 6 weeks later. So, and the person would see us, the patient would see us 3 times. 3 times doctor dekhta tha. So, jo say 100 pe symptoms the, and these were chronic patients unke the, jo ki they couldn't walk sometimes, they couldn't even answer the phone, they couldn't take noise, there was chronic fatigue, bahut conditions the. He noticed that up to 70 to 80% the symptoms did not exist. Allergies थी वो exist नहीं कर रही थी, migraines थी वो exist नहीं कर रही थी. Person was walking straight, but now they had ambition. So not only the symptoms dropped, when the symptoms dropped, the power somehow, the source increased, उसमें उनको अचानक desire आया. Because what happens is when you're physically sick, and that sick for so long, you think you can barely manage your body. You can't even dream big. वो सब छोड़ने पड़ते हैं आपके ड्रीम्स पहले के. So these people automatically had started to say कि मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, because and the knowledge and the wisdom they had, they would not have ever read anywhere. And they had similar wisdom and intelligence and high intuition. They all had same results. Matlab, they were as if tapping into the source. Now a source, there's not one thought lost, not one idea wasted. When you connect to this energy, आपकी एक भी thought नहीं आएगी जो आपको नहीं चाहिए. So there's no thinking involved. What will you think about? हर thought action में convert हो रहा है. Thought, action, done. खुद ही life हो रही है. So we actually did this beautiful test with this doctor. And then came, she had her PhD, Dr. What was her name? Joan Archer, Dr. Joan Archer. So she decided, because Calgary, it was in Calgary, Canada. So when she found out, she came. And then she said, I would like to, of course, send my patients, to see what happens there. Now, she's been psychologist for 25 years, so usually depression takes them, say, 2 years, or there's a set time for therapy. So she started to send clients. And in a 2-year period, and this is about 200 clients later, right? She also saw the symptoms vanishing. So much so, 2 years later, she came, she said, Ruby, is there another business I should do? Because I have only 10% of my client left. And we can't send them to you because I would have nothing. This is my only income. And this is in a book. She wrote a book after that. So what was happening? We were not doing anything. We were simply connecting them to this source. कोई instructions नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं था, क्या करना है, क्या नहीं. We just said, postpone those decisions, don't think too much. Just increase the source energy. And there was, so obviously there was some genes transformed. There was something that happened, achanak, for psychologically, mentally, and physically for the person to change in such a short period. So what we consider miracles, anybody would say miracles have in lots of cases, tested cases like that, all over the world because we travel so much. But they are not miracles. They are just basically, this is how the source works. This is the nature of the source. जो आपको produce कर रही है, उसको पता है. There's intelligence. So it's not really a miracle. And we also found people who were very serious, who understood it and did the technique consciously and with awareness and believing that they were connecting not in us, but that I am the source and I'm going to connect with the source. They did it with devotion and faith. They had these miraculous recoveries and very fast. Those who just thought it's another meditation, kuch hi ho sakta hai, they dropped it. Unke results bhi half-assed aate hain because their intention is only half-assed. Because we, as you have seen, we dress in ordinary clothes just like anybody else would. It's very easy for us to pretend to be some gurus or some whatever. But we don't do it because our message to people is that the minute you see somebody just ki untouchable upar baitha hai, you feel that I will never become that. So there's this big gap in consciousness relationship. So our message to people is that as you are, where you are, how you are, enlightenment is possible and all is possible, not one thing. So we don't know more science than that, but these were the test cases that happened in Calgary, Canada. Yeah.
All right. We have.
Hi, I have a lot of questions.